This is the end. That's exactly how I feel every time I hurt myself. And I go through this crazy emotional roller coaster where I've been skateboarding for basically my entire life, 30 years. Now I cannot. And I feel like my body's never gonna heal. I'm never gonna get over this. That's the physical aspect of it. And then on top of that, there's a whole mental aspect of it of, am I ever going to be able to do the tricks that I was able to do? So here I am, about 7 days after my last doctor's appointment. My doctor said, you cannot skate, do physical therapy, and don't get on the board. And I'm feeling pretty good, and I'm gonna push the limits here of what I think I can do. It's a good idea, Chloe?
I mean, I would follow your doctor's orders, but I'm here for you.
Off camera, she was just calling me a wussy for not landing a tray double flip. So here we are. I'm getting more comfortable. I landed a kick flip. I was thinking maybe I could roll through some of the tricks that I'm like scared of, but I think I could do.
Okay, why don't you warm up just a little bit before you do that?
Give me the tricks, Coach Chloe.
Do all of SMS 1.
Okay, all of SMS 1.
Yeah.
Okay, ollie, front side 180, back side 180. This is the end. Wow! It's as if I just filmed a tutorial for that. Pop shove it. Wow! Likewise. Front shove it. Dang, girl! Okay, heel flip, I'm not gonna lie, I'm deadly scared of this.
Have you done a heel flip today?
Today, I did do one heel flip.
Okay.
Woo! I'm better with 2 screws in the foot. I'm better! I'm like the Bionic Man.
Woo!
I was like, do a good kickflip, and that was not. I mean, it flipped well, but my back foot caught it kind of stupid.
That looked good to me. Yes, Aaron.
I'm still a little scared.
Are you?
I don't know, the nerves.
I understand. That's how when I'm trying to land an ollie.
This is what it's like for a beginner to land an ollie.
Yeah.
My career just flashed before my whole eyes.
Your whole entire existence?
This is the scariest thing in my whole entire existence. She was making fun of me earlier, said, you know what you always say? Whole entire existence. Yeah. I'm sorry for being enthusiastic about life and Jamba Juice. Like if you can't live for Jamba Juice, what's left? Okay, varial flip.
Woo!
Holy guacamole. I almost missed that.
Yeah, but you didn't.
And then my ankle almost blew. See, there's other injuries than breaking your foot.
So, okay, what's a trick that you haven't done in 5 months?
Did I do a tray flip earlier? Tray flip, let's do tray flip. Tray flip on flat, I have not. Okay, that hurt emotionally and physically.
Really?
Do I got it?
You got it. No, you don't.
Wow, thanks for your help, Chloe.
No, Aaron. Don't even joke about it.
Okay, I won't. It did hurt though. Okay, I gotta land this, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
For the people.
Yes.
Wow, scary, it's scary. It just takes a bit out of you, you know what I'm saying? I think flat ground skating is my future.
Flat ground, isn't that your past too?
Okay, that hurt.
No, but isn't it? I don't know.
Double flip. Okay, the thing that I'm most scared of is landing like a nasty primo.
Oh yeah.
And just being like right there when I think my foot is fine, I think it's healed enough, but man, if I hit it just right, it is not gonna feel good. See, here's the other thing, the mentally taxing situation in skateboarding. Why am I even thinking about that?
I know that feeling.
You know, that was 5 months ago.
Yeah.
You guys superstitious, knock on wood?
Let it go.
I love that song.
Can't hold me back anymore.
Okay, in my head, I was 100% committing to that.
Really?
Yeah.
In your head?
And in my body, nothing. It was like I wanted it, but I couldn't. Right here?
Yep, right here.
No, can't.
Aaron, you're not gonna be able to do this.
What?
You're not gonna be able to do this.
What'd you say?
You're not good enough.
What should I do?
You should quit.
Quit now?
Yeah.
Oh, you should quit! I suck. Okay, for all the kids out there that don't believe in themselves and need somebody to help push them along, this one's for you guys. Let's go, Braille Army. I just want to feel normal again. Why is that funny?
I don't know. It's just like that's what everyone feels, right?
The trick that nearly ended Aaron Cairo. A freaking double flip on flat.
So have you done that one since you broke your foot?
No, definitely
okay,
not.
dude, this is it.
It hurts though, Chloe, it hurts.
I know it hurts, but anything that is rewarding hurts at first.
True? Is that true?
No, I just made it up.
So like when I went to that movie and it was pretty good, it did kind of hurt at first. I mean, a movie these days is like $50 freaking. Like, it's painful. Okay, I do a kickflip, then we go. You believe in me?
Nope.
It's like sometimes I need somebody to believe in me. Do you believe in me? Nope.
Nope.
Okay, straight up.
Okay, you got it.
Oh, that hurt though.
No, it didn't.
So what's happening is the board is coming up and it's hitting the bottom of my foot and it's like shaking. My bone right here is split into two. This bone right here is in half with 2 screws in it. Not 4 screws. Like I should have told her, ma'am, please. Standard skateboard, 4 screws, please. 4 screws in the foot. She only gave me 2, you know?
How weird that your foot was cut open.
Cut open, the bones were like taken out and put back together and
Oh my God.
and she told me the bones really sucked up together. And I was like, oh, that's cool.
It's so weird.
Just kidding, I
You
don't really
were
get
cut
grossed out like
open.
that. Okay, now now I can't double flip.
No, you can't. You can't.
No, you can. You can't.
No, you can't. Don't
can't.
do it. Don't do it.
Can't. How about a nollie? That's the ultimate. Anything off that side, just,
Ooh. It hurts?
yeah. Not like bad, but just a little bit, you know? Man, learning how to skateboard sucks. I understand it. I understand why a million people started in 2020 and they've quit. I am also gonna start pickleballing.
We should.
Yeah, we should. Pickleball channel 2024. Wow!
You did it!
Okay, now that there's a dog in the vicinity, I will land. I love dogs. Why is it so frickin' scary?
Because it is scary.
Should I do a different trick?
No, absolutely not. You need to actually conquer this one.
Backside flip?
No, do the one that you need to conquer. You actually have it. It's mental.
When's the last time you've seen a grown man cry?
Yesterday.
Dang it, it's not far away enough. I'm sorry you were put through that. This is the end, the only end, my friend. I'm sure the lyrics are not that.
Is it easier if you're moving?
No, probably not.
I can see it's mental.
Really? Mm-hmm. Back in my day, I would do a triple flip, no big thing. Chicken wing.
Try to do a triple flip.
See, what's hard is like mentally knowing you can do way more than this. I realized I've done a double flip manual, double flip out.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to do a double flip. And it's just like so depressing that you have to go through a mental barrier to push through this. But I think this is the part of skateboarding that not enough people show, like whatever. It's getting a lot better now. On social media, it's opening up where people are just like, whatever. But back in the day, no professional skateboarder would ever show this.
But you think about all the parents that are getting back into skateboarding or stuff, and they used to be able to kickflip and do all these tricks, and now they're relearning to ollie.
It's true, and it is actually, the other side of it is it's also so fun, but I cannot have my mental capacity, I cannot have my head in 10 years ago when, oh, I did double flip, Manny, double flip.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, right here.
Okay.
For all the dads out there that are skating with their kids.
And moms.
And moms. Shout out to moms. That was the literal worst try ever. What happened?
Don't even think about it.
No, don't even think about it, she says.
It's done.
It's done, just consider it done. You know what I need?
Water.
I do need water.
Yeah,
we bought water.
Let me get you water.
That's not what I need at all. Ah!
Oh, see, that was it. Next try. I knew it.
First try! Okay, now that I'm all lightheaded,
Yeah.
we gotta do it moving.
Well done.
Oh!
Oh, yes.
Not the prettiest, not the cleanest. Even Derek is laughing at me behind the camera. Was that good, Derek?
That was great.
I thought it
Think
was
so?
great. See, once you get over the mental barrier, then you're just doing them time after time.
It's true. Okay, right here, first try.
First try.
Jamba, jamba. Ow! I'm just kidding. I need that though, I need that.
I'm sorry, you need what?
That trick!
Oh, okay, yeah.
This is the end. I just think to myself, the rational thing here is don't do this. Is Aaron, you landed the double flip, call it a day. Aaron, you landed the double flip, call it a day.
But you did land it. Why aren't you calling it a day?
Because I wanted to land something else. Sight? Okay, right here for Chloe, for all her hard work. Should bring back the old persistence videos on flat. They were the best.
Were they?
Yeah, I need to just learn every trick all over again for you guys. For all the kids out there that need some support. Okay, right here. What'd you say?
Literally nothing.
What?
Oh, you're terrible. You can't do this. Don't do this. Just stop.
Yeah, you're right. Stop. She's right, I'm terrible.
You really listened to me there.
I know. Don't give in to the dark side. The negative thoughts. You can do it.
You literally just did it like 30 times in a row.
Yeah, but that's not what I'm trying anymore.
Oh, what are you trying now?
Now I'm trying 360 double flip.
Oh, that's
so instead of
what
just
I
like
was
this,
missing. Yeah.
now it's got to go like this. I completely lost you.
Yeah.
Right here for Chol. Do it. Ouch! Okay, I'm landing this.
That looked pretty cool, though.
That looked pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Because it is.
Yeah.
Because it's a cool trick. Ding, dang it. I have to be like totally psyched out. I have to be like totally doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Just take your physical health and throw it out the window, Aaron.
That's right. Who cares?
Who cares?
What's the worst that could happen?
You're not supposed to skate. You're supposed to do physical therapy. Ah! Ouch!
Okay, now you know you're gonna get it.
Are you kidding me? That's not gonna give up. I landed on the wheel.
Yeah, but you got the closest that time than any other time.
So what are you saying?
So I'm saying you have a chance.
Okay, now my foot really hurts.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
Man up.
I don't need to walk tomorrow. I actually don't need to walk tomorrow. My toes, they hurt.
See, normally I'm like the mom.
Yeah. What up?
Yo!
Yo, bro, what's good? Right here for you. Ah!
Oh, you did it!
Yes! Ah!
This is the end.
Okay, I will take that. Wasn't the cleanest, wasn't the prettiest, but it's been 5 months! And I did not expect to land that today. I was really gonna be happy with just a tray flip. I got the tray double flip. I'm back. Let's go. Let's get out there and skate. I hope you guys are inspired. I hope you get on your board and go skate. Nothing else matters. Go have an absolute blast at the skate park. We'll see you out there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.